Hi everybody, I'm Suzanne Basner. I work for English Gardens at our Plymouth location. Today we are going to make a beautiful holiday Yule log. This is a great way to bring some festive and rustic nature into your space and even makes a great centerpiece for the holidays. Before we get started, be sure you have all of your supplies in order. For this project you will need 5 yards of ribbon, 6 pieces of birch log, faux cut greens, pine cones, holly stems, berries, a hot glue gun, sharp scissors, wire, and wire cutters. Let's get started. First, cut approximately 1 yard off of your 5 yards of ribbon. I've pre-cut the materials for this project. Step 1. Lay the ribbon down on the table and on top of it stack the logs like so. 3 on the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 1 on top. Then tie the bundle of logs together with the ribbon. Step 2. Use the rest of your ribbon to make a bow. If you need help making a holiday bow, check out my How to Make a Bow video. Use the link in the description below. Step 3. Wire the bow on top of the log bundle, attaching it to the tied ribbon. So at this point, your log should be bundled with a nice bow on top. Step 4. Cut your faux evergreen stems into multiple pieces. I've pre-cut the materials for this project. Get creative with this design. Hot glue the pieces where you'd like them to go. If you'd like to place them before gluing to test out your design, go for it. Step 5. For another decorative touch, we're going to add some pine cones. Trim the stems of the cones and place them where you'd like, and secure them with your hot glue gun. Step 6. We're going to add in berries. Cut these into 6 separate pieces. Use the hot glue gun to secure them in place wherever you'd like. And finally, we're going to add in our holly stems. Trim these into separate pieces and hot glue them into place. Be sure to let everything dry thoroughly before moving your Yule log around. And there you have it, a festive holiday Yule log you can admire all season long. For a printable version of these directions, head over to EnglishGardens.com. Thank you for following along. From all of us at English Gardens, have a very Merry Christmas.